I'm getting ready to can some Mustang Grape jelly. For those of y'all that don't know what Mustang grapes are, they grow wild in South Central Texas, and I'm going to teach y'all how we can it. So, now I'm going to start by putting them into the pot. We're using last year's crop that we froze. I can get them, there they go. We'll probably have to get some more this year, but we'll see what we have in the freezer. And how much water am I supposed to add?
All the way up to the
top of the berries?
Well, in between here.
Okay. It's been a while since I've done this, so my mom's helping me, giving me some pointers. If I can talk today, we'll see.
Best jelly in the world.
It is some of the best jelly in the world. I don't know if I like this one or wild plum more.
I don't know, it's a close race. This pot is so old.
It is, but that's okay. Is that about good or a little more? Like up to the second, first little notch?
Yeah. Many of things of jelly have gone through that poor pot.
Yeah, they have. Okay, now that it's at a boil, well, first I'm going to turn the heat down to about a 6 so we can get it to just simmering. And I'm going to start popping these grapes up against the wall of the pot. And that's how we're going to get our juice. We're making a jelly, not a jam. So we want to get as much juice as we possibly can. Oop, sorry, my screen's kind of fogging up a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to double strain it just to make sure we got everything. We want 5 cups. It should be about almost. Well, a little bit more. Perfect. Now I'm going to pour these 5 cups into this container because this is the batch we are going to freeze. I don't think it's going to hold it all.
I'm going to have to do another little one.
So now we want to measure out 5 more cups again because this is going to be our batch that we're going to make.
It's beautiful juice.
Now I'm going to pour my 5 cups back into my pot. And this grape juice stains everything. So if you don't want it stained, I'd make sure to use something else. Okay, I'm going to put it back onto the burner. And I'm going to start heating. So I'm going to put my pectin in. And then I'm going to bring it up to a full rolling boil. And then I'm going to add my 7 cups of sugar. I know I said earlier it was 5, but it's 7. I'm actually using the actual recipe for grape jelly on the Sure Gel packet recipe. The only difference is I'm using Mustang grape juice instead of regular grape juice. Okay, now it's at a boil that I cannot stir down. So I'm going to go ahead and start slowly stirring in my sugar. Once it comes back up to a boil again, I can't stir down. I am going to boil it for 1 minute. And then after that 1 minute, we will be ready to put it in jars. And y'all are never gonna believe how we seal it. We don't water bath can it, we don't pressure can it. We'll show you our little trick. Got done boiling for a minute. We kind of boiled over a little bit. That's what all the mess is about, if you can see it. I fill it up to about 1/2 inch headspace. And he's gonna seal it for me really tight. Don't do it fingertip tight. And then he's gonna flip it upside down so that heat activates the seal. That's why you don't have to pressure can it or water bath can it, because it seals itself and it lasts just as long. Trust me, we do this every single time we make jelly.
Oh God.
Now the 5 minutes is up and these are super hot, so I'm just gonna flip them really fast. And like I said, these will seal just the same. I promise. Or else we wouldn't do it. But this is our grape jelly. It turned out really good.